So what I have here is this really cool nail clipper set. Now I've been trying to find something that has not only fingernail clippers, but also toenail clippers and a file. And this Ultra 3 set comes with everything inside. Now it is really easy to open. I can just slide out the back just like this, and we can remove the different file here, as well as you got the toe clipper and fingernail clipper. So if I slide these out just like this, you will see they have a really nice matte black finish, which I absolutely love. So that's the fingernail clipper. This is the toenail clipper right here. They look absolutely stunning. They even have this sort of ridge display on the back, which makes it help with the grip. To use, you just basically twist them around just like this, and you're going to be able to see this is where you place your thumb. Has a really nice ridge and a lot of leverage and spring action to really deliver that cut really nicely. So as you cut around your fingernails just like this, it provides a lot of pressure and has a really nice spring action, which I absolutely love. So this is the toe clipper right there, really easy to use. The fingernail clipper is the same. You can just sort of twist that around. It has a lot smaller sort of reach, which is really nice, especially for getting in and clipping your nails. So has a really sharp edge, which I absolutely love. Still has this pro look, and I really love the matte black finish. So these are the clippers here. Now it also comes with a really unique file, which I haven't seen the likes of this before. This is a glass file. Now on one end it is super smooth, which will be on the back here. And on this edge, it has a really fine file here, which is really cool. So it is completely see-through, as you can see, just like this, which adds a lot of a wow factor on that, which I absolutely love. You can take your nails and you can sort of trim them along this, and this will just file them down, so making them nice and smooth, which I absolutely love. You will see that there will be a little bit of the file left, and it's really easy to just take it with your finger and brush that off. So overall, getting to have the glass file and the two clippers, this is a really pro set, which I absolutely love. So if you're looking for a three-piece, this is definitely the one to get.